What's up internet, my name is Kipp and welcome to my first installment of my Let's Play series. And as you can see, whoa, hint. And as you can see, I'm playing Amnesia the Dark Descent in some creepy castle. I put on the gamma a little higher so you guys could see it, and because I'm a little scared. So it would be a lot easier for me, but I'll blame you guys. Let's see what is in here. Rocks. Can I climb? What's in there? There's... I'm falling up again. Hey, pink stuff on the floor. And red stuff. Huh. Because I put the graphics lower, I can't see what it is. Let's see what is... Hold down left mouse and move the mouse in order to move the door. Press right mouse to throw the door open or shut, depending on the direction you face. Oh, a little mistake. I found a tinderbox. So I'll use this first episode to explain you guys what I'm gonna do with my Let's Plays. I'm probably gonna make a Let's Play every 2 days, and I'm gonna play Amnesia first. Because that's the easiest to Let's Play. I know it's overused already, but... And something is happening. Guys. Don't just stand there, help me. You bastards. Can't I just take the shield and, like, use it as a weapon? Suppose not. Another door. And another nothingness. Next time I should put my graphics lower because I can't see anything. I mean the... Oh crap, I just screwed up. The movement is going a little slow, or is it just normal at the start? Whoa! I suppose I'm not supposed to go this way. Whoa! That's not creepy at all. Yeah. So I'm gonna make an episode every 2 days, so maybe I can add subtitles. I'm gonna see how long it takes to edit. And, of course, I have a live. I made this creepy for myself because I closed all my curtains, or however it's pronounced. I'm foreign. And I'm using a headset for the first time, so there you go, you guys. Tinder boxes. It's a nice Monday afternoon. It's beautiful weather, there's no clouds, and still I'm inside playing Amnesia for you guys. You should be proud. I have no idea what I'm doing this. I'm teabagging a table. Awesome. Let's see. Let's follow the trail. Oh wait, another closet. Ha! Another tinderbox. I have 4 already. I'll use this and kick everyone who's in my way. Or not. Jeez, it's even creepier with my headset because now I can hear him breathing. Holy... Did I just hear someone running? You go first. Thanks. Why is there greenness? Let's still follow the trail. And everything seems to be collapsing. Whoa, whoa, no. Run! Oh no! What's happening? Ah! I can't... Oh. I can get up. Well, that's creepy. Whew. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Seriously? You should be happy that I want to do this for you, because I'm just... Oh no! No! After these 10 minutes of Let's Play, I'm gonna go outside, and first I gotta change my pants, actually, but then I'll be outside. Not having creepy things. Sup? Oh, I actually thought it was gold, but I don't know. What's happening? Huh, I have a slight headache. Is that a bad thing? Open! I'll just hide in here. Well, this is not gonna work. Peekaboo. Another closet. Well, that wasn't helpful. I have the feeling I'm forgetting something, which I had to say. Oh yeah, just leave questions. Uh-oh, wait. No, I'm saying something to the audience. So, if you have any questions which I have to answer, just ask them in the comment box, and I'll be glad to answer them. Like, for example, if you have a question like, how did you get your nickname? It's very interesting. I was 12 years old, and my friend was like, hey, you like chicken soup? And I was like, hell yeah, I like chicken soup. And then I saw chicken soup was English for kippensoep, which is Dutch for it. And then I choose my nickname. Interesting, isn't it? And I forgot to see how long I'm playing already, so I'll just stop here, I guess. I'll see you guys next time. Cheerio!